Hands Are Not for Hitting by Martine Agassi. Hands come in all shapes, colors, and sizes. Hands can do lots of things. Can you wave yours? Hands are not for hitting. What are hands for? Saying hello, drawing, playing, the itsy bitsy spider, building. Hands are not for hitting. What are hands for? Eating and drinking, dressing and undressing, keeping safe, taking care, brush a brush a brush. Hands are not for hitting. What are hands for? Helping, hugging, waving goodbye.